Be careful of debris, guys. Look at this. Oh man, this thing. Oh, you don't want to get your line or your boat caught in this thing. Jeez.
You are watching JU Nation Fishing.
Divvying up. 25 for pump right there. Oh my goodness. What's happening, family and friends? It's JU. I'm with Captain Chris once again today, Wednesday. It's about 10:30 right now. We launched out of Discovery Park. And you know where it is? That bridge right there is Miller Bridge. Last week we caught 50 right there with pump. So today we're going to see what we can do today. Of course, the temperature is a little bit cooler than last week. But stay tuned, we'll see what we can do. Fish off! Whoa! That's it! That's fish on, family. Fish on. Well, time to get fish now. Captain got him on. I gotta find myself a net first. I'll be right back. Right when you're eating. There you go.
You got one.
There you go. That's a JU hammer.
JU hammer.
Bam, bam,
JU hammer.
baby, bam. I think it's party time now.
A few moments later.
Oh, fish on, baby. Woo! Let's do it. Fish on. Do another video tape this time. That's what happened. Captain with another fish on, baby.
Way out there.
Woo!
Further out. Yep.
He's on, dude. Hey,
on.
If we get it, it's gonna be clicking the clock to number 2.
Yeah.
That's right. Fish on. There it is, guys. Swimming toward us. See if I can do the honor here.
Go down in the beginning.
That's it. There, what is that? Another pink one? Hammer. Bam. Woo! Hello, family and friend. This is JU Captain Chris on the Sturgeon Bandit. Today we are fishing for shad, and we're at this location from 3 to 5. We first came and Captain Chris hooked up 2 real quick. We thought it was going to be a good day. Unfortunately, it kind of stopped. Today's kind of overcast. Lots of debris on the river, so if you do fish, be very careful of that. You might get hurt. So help out somebody who can't see it. Let them know the big logs coming down. You know, as always, we had 3 rods out for shad and 1 rod. I was trying to catch some striper with shad, bro. Not even 1 bite. So today is kind of overall slow. However, there are people that catch shad throughout the river. You know, there's guys catching from Miller Park all the way here to Discover. So the shad is definitely in the system. You got to go out here and try to maybe chase them down. You know, as always, we're saying it's fishing. Catching is a bonus, right, Captain?
That's right.
Catching
Is
bonus.
a bonus.
I love hanging out with my brother. It's so peaceful and beautiful here in the river. So as always, family and friends, thank you so much for coming to check out with us, hang out with us. Lots of good fishing video out there. So until the next time, peace out, family. Woo! Bam!
Thank you.
This is crazy, guys. This is why JU and Captain Chris not catching anything right now. So there's that guy right there. He got a fish.
You got a fish?
In his mouth. Yep.
You see?
Yep. I captured